here is my Black Friday promotion for this course. So the affiliate marketing course, which usually goes at 350 kwacha, is now available at only 105 kwacha. Okay, and this promotion is only valid starting today up to 29th November of 2023. So in this course, you're going to learn almost everything about affiliate marketing, how I actually made the thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing. So the good part about this course is that you don't learn on WhatsApp groups, don't learn via calls or Zoom meetings. No, once you pay, you're going to get instant access. So this is an online learning platform. So once you pay, you'll be asked to create an account, and then you'll be given access to the courses. So this is how the dashboard looks like. So you're going to have like the courses on the left side, then you'll be able to see the lessons and the topics on your right side. So everything is easy, and all you need is simply a phone or a smartphone and you're good to go. So to get started, simply WhatsApp me. This is my number. Okay, can't really forget it. So WhatsApp me and get access. This is your only chance to begin or become an affiliate marketer in Zambia. I would like you to know about the ultimate sports betting experience with Veripesa, which is the leading sports betting platform in Zambia. So they're actually proud to offer a seamless integration of cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, thereby making your betting journey more convenient and secure than ever before. So sign up now and you can enjoy a generous welcome bonus of up to 2,200 kwacha, which can actually give your bets an incredible boost from the very start. So to make use of this opportunity, be sure to use the referral code KITHORENS when you sign up. So with a range of sports events and games to choose from and the flexibility of cryptocurrency transactions, Veripesa actually ensures that the betting experience is not only thrilling but also rewarding. Don't miss out on the action. Join now and evade your sports betting game with Veripesa.